How to use the new PowerLead system drag and drop editor with Corey Neese. We're going to log into our account. We're going to hover over websites and click on drag and drop editor under the web pages section. So go ahead and do that, drag and drop editor. Then I'm going to click this icon. And our editor is really easy to use. It's very fast. It's currently in beta, so if there's any glitches or bugs or any problems, just keep that in mind, because our team behind the scenes is still fixing the beta version. So we're going to make this perfect. So I'm going to go over here and click blocks. And this section is going to allow me to add any kind of block. We got call to action, capture pages, content, images, and so much more. So if you want to bring over a complete template that is ready to go, all you got to do is click the one you like, drag it over, and literally drop it, and it's really cool. It completely populates that page. All right, and let's make a couple edits so you can see how to make epic PowerLead system pages there. All right, then I want to make sure that I select apply changes. So I'm going to click the edit. I'm going to click apply changes to that. And then I'm going to click save. And then what you want to do when you're done making your changes is click in the right hand corner, click exit editor where my mouse is. And this should bring me to my back office. Last time I had some issues with it. I don't know why, but just remember it's in beta. Then I could go here and title this web page new drag and drop. I can title it, put in the title that my website visitors will see, put in SEO. So it just takes you through step by step, very, very easily, conveniently set up a new domain. All right, just going to give you an example. Click submit. Then I can connect it to an email follow-up sequence and just have a complete funnel ready to go. But first, sales page, click save my choice. Oops, and then lastly, I can add a follow-up campaign. I can even add it to Aweber or GetResponse. Go ahead, click submit, and then you're all set up. You're all done. Visit your new subdomain, and you can check out your new website just like that. And there you go. All right. So you can make any kind of pages, capture pages, thank you pages, video sales pages, long form copy, any kind of page, checkout pages. We give you hundreds of different templates and blocks to choose from. So we are very, very versatile, fully customizable to however you like. We also offer ad tracking for your pages, and if you want to edit this page, all you got to do is jump over to my web pages section here. And then you'll see this was the page I just created. It's stored right here in my web pages section. So all you got to do is go ahead and click edit, and I can change anything I want. I can change anything I want, and it's right there. Very convenient. All right. So if you want to use this amazing, powerful tool, what I want you to do is click the link below the video, enter your email, and you'll get more information on how we work as an amazing web page creating company. See you on the inside.